Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. Today I got a package from Left Coast Bonsai. There's 3 trees in it. Let's check it out. Let's get into it. Oh, right off the bat we got some swag. A little Left Coast Bonsai coaster. Some paperwork. Business card. A little thank you card. So, some pretty cool stuff. Left Coast Bonsai, check it out. They had a live sale on Instagram. Pretty cool to participate in and watch. A sticker hiding in there. Nice, I love stickers. I don't love packing peanuts. That I don't love. Especially in my greenhouse. So I should go get rid of these packing peanuts, but I'm not going to try and get the trees out without dropping all the packing peanuts. So this is a quince. Big old quince I got. It started leafing out. Nice. Look at that. It's a good start for a quince. There's a lot of stuff up top here that we don't need. That's a good branch. Probably don't need most of this, but it's a cool quince. Nice. Set you there. Gently. Let me get to what else is in here. And we're back. Got rid of a majority of the packing peanuts. Got this cool Korean hornbeam. Which is awesome. It's got some red, low movement. It's a cool Korean hornbeam. I like that. And it doesn't need to be potted, which is a beauty. And a Scots pine. A pretty thick fat daddy of a Scots pine. It's bare rooted. But that's a pretty thick trunk. And a pretty cool tree. Yeah. So these are the pots I'm going to put them in. They are not too big, not too small. I think they're just right. So that's my plan. Put them in mostly pumice with a little agadama mixed in because that's what I have right now. So I'm going to start with this Scots pine. It's got a cool little bark. Yeah, it's barking up nice. Pretty cool tree. I'm not going to do any root work or mess with these at all, I don't think. I think they've been bare rooted for a minute and are probably unhappy. I might uncover the very top section there, keep the sphagnum in there so that these branches can breathe. But they look like they got gnarly spiraling roots, so maybe I do need to correct some of these roots before they become a tragic problem. Like this one. This one. This one. This one can just be brought over maybe. No, cut back. Let that one grow. Alright. That's about all I'm gonna do though. I don't know if I need that root at all. Coming from. Let that one be. I'm going to put the sphagnum back in here. First I'm gonna move all this crap out of my way. This one gnarly root right here as my tie down spot. I could tie it down in two, gotta go across ways, but not gonna. There's some. The reason I potted it this way is these low branches, you know, they'll help thicken this trunk. So I don't want to kill them. Don't know if we need them. I don't want to kill them either. So next tree I got is this Korean hornbeam with some really cool movement in the trunk, but it looks like it's in some kind of mulch, and I think since it's repotting time, I'm going to get it out of this mulch, put it in better soil. So, let's see what's in it. I might throw it right back in this pot, but, you know. If you're running a giant nursery, I'm not faulting Left Coast Bonsai for growing it in this. I mean, they're growing 1,000 trees, you know. Thing's about to leaf out though, so I'm gonna do it. It's clearly growing well. A cool tree. 46. I have no grandkids, but you never know. There goes the pot. Maybe I'll mix it all in with the mix I'm using because I seem to like it. I don't want it to dry out. There's another big branch, or root. Some of this in. See how that works. Why not? It's been growing in it. Can't be too unhappy about it, you know. On it. beauty. I don't know what the final design of this tree will be. It's strange, but yeah, I don't know. It may need some wire. Here they are, all potted up. There's the Scots pine, the Korean hornbeam, and the quince. Those are 1 gallon pots. Okay, here are those plants. A few months later, it's now July 1st. This big silly branch is still on here for now. I'm probably going to cut it off. Doesn't necessary. That's the quince. The Korean hornbeam is doing well. I don't know what I'm doing with it. I really need to make some decisions. Everything's getting too thick. I burned it with fertilizer once, which was not good, but it's recovering well. Here's the Scots pine. A couple months later, healthy as can be. Don't know what this one's going to be either, really. A lot of really low branches. Probably need to make some decisions here. If it's going to be a shohin tree, I need to chop it. If I'm going to let it grow, then I need to make sure I put movement in this one. Maybe let this one keep running. And this one keep running. Get rid of that one. This one. Or get rid of this one. And this one. Shoot, I don't know. Branches are in such weird spots. I don't know. There they are.